Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube Shorts editing with Premiere Pro, full guide step by step clearly. To activate YouTube Shorts editing with Premiere Pro, start by launching Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project by clicking on New Project in the welcome screen. Set your project settings, including file name and location, then click OK. Import your video clips by selecting File and then Import. Navigate to the location of your video files and select them. Drag the imported clips onto the timeline to start editing. Ensure your video sequence settings match the desired dimensions for YouTube Shorts, which is a vertical format. To do this, go to Sequence in the top menu and select Sequence Settings. Change the frame size to 1080 by 1920 pixels for a vertical aspect ratio. Adjust your video clips in the timeline to fit this new format. You can crop and scale your clips by selecting them in the timeline and using the Effect Controls panel. Add any desired effects or transitions from the Effects panel to enhance your shorts. Overlay text by selecting the Text tool and clicking on the program monitor to type your message. Customize the text's font, size, and color using the Essential Graphics panel. Use audio tracks to add background music or sound effects by importing audio files similarly as you did with video. Ensure the audio levels are balanced by checking the audio meters while previewing your project. Once you're satisfied with your edits, go to File and select Export then Media. In the export settings, choose the H.264 format for compatibility with YouTube. Select the preset suited for YouTube, typically YouTube 1080p Full HD. Confirm the resolution is set to 1080 by 1920 pixels once more. Set the output name and destination location for your file. Click Export to render your video. Once the export is complete, open your web browser and navigate to YouTube. Log into your YouTube account and click the camera icon for uploads. In the Upload section, select your newly edited video file. Fill out the title, description, and tags to optimize your shorts for search. Before publishing, select Shorts to categorize the video properly. Once everything is set, click Publish to complete the process. Your YouTube short is now live and ready for viewers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.